Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the movie Hangama 2. Hangama 2 is a 2021 Indian Hindi language romantic comedy film directed by Priya Darshan and jointly produced by Ratan Jain, Ganesh Jain, Chetan Jain and Arman Ventures. It is the spiritual sequel of Priya Darshan's own 2003 film Hangama. It is loosely based on Priya Darshan's own 1994 Malayalam film Minaram, with a comedy sequence borrowed from his other Malayalam movie Vendanam. The film stars Presh Rawal, Shilpa Shetty, Mizan Jafri and Pranitha Subhash. Hangama 2 marks the two comebacks of Priya Darshan and Shilpa Shetty to Bollywood after 8 years and 14 years respectively. Directed by Priya Darshan, written by Anukalp Goswami, Manisha Code, screenplay by Yunus Sajawal, story by Priya Darshan, based on Minaram 1994 by Priya Darshan, produced by Ratan Jain, Ganesh Jain, Chetan Jain, Arman Ventures, starring Presh Rawal, Shilpa Shetty, Mizan Jafri, Pranitha Subhash. Production company Venus Worldwide Entertainment, distributed by Disney Plus Hotstar. Release date 23 July 2021. Running time 156 minutes. Country India, language Hindi. Hangama 2 premiered on 23 July 2021 on Disney Plus Hotstar. The film received negative reviews from critics who criticized its writing, direction and performances. Also, Rajpal's performance was well received. Plot: retired jailer Govind Kapoor's family includes his son Akash and Aman, his elder brother. He also has 4 mischievous grandchildren. The twist in the story happens when Vani, Akash's college girlfriend, comes to their home with a child named Gehna and claims that the child's father is Akash. Akash tells that it is not his child. Akash is betrothed to Bajaj's daughter, who is a friend of jailer Govind. Akash takes the help of Anjali Tiwari, his co-worker, to help him to hide things about the child, to not let anyone know about it. But Anjali's husband, Radheshyam Tiwari, is a suspicious-minded man. He thinks that she is having an affair with some other man and finds Akash's red socks in the camera, which he secretly kept in the house. Tiwari starts trying to find someone with the same red socks and find Akash. He now thinks that Akash is the lover of his wife and Gehna is their child. Thus, the confusion begins. In the flashback, it is shown that Vani and Akash loved each other and the former left the latter. Suddenly, without notice, they perform a DNA test and results show that the Y chromosome match is a positive and Akash is indeed the father. Akash, now desperate, tries to get his nieces and nephews to prank Vani so she will leave. One of their pranks ends up with Gehna's hand with second-degree burns. Vani sees jailer Kapoor about to use a ruler to slap his grandchildren's butts, so she takes the blame for it and end up getting slapped. The kids feel bad and give a ruler to Vani instead to slap their hands. Vani doesn't and becomes their nanny and friend. Akash tries to now get Vani away from the engagement ceremony without knowing that Bajaj invited her, assuming she was the new teacher of the grandchildren. Akash ends up late with the excuse that he went to his job to act like he was being guard of the building. While Akash is changing in Anjali's car, Tiwari sees him taking off his clothes, not knowing Akash was changing, and sees the car shaking, assuming that his wife is having sex with Akash. Akash and Anjali come to engagement ceremony, but Anjali spots Vani chatting with some of her old friends that she runs into at the temple. Akash wastes no time and quickly gets engaged, while Vani gets a call from the cook saying that Gehna fell from the 3rd floor, when really Gehna fell from the bed which was on the 3rd floor. Tiwari confronts Anjali and Akash without stating he knows about their apparent affair, but Akash and Anjali think that he knows about Vani, so they shrug it off. Appalled by their behavior, he tries to kill Akash. Akash tries to hire his and Vani's old cafeteria manager, who is an excellent forger, to act as her husband. And the same day that Tiwari decides to murder Akash is the same day that the cafeteria manager is to act as Vani's husband. The cafeteria manager comes in and Vani asks him what is his child's name. Tiwari hits the manager's bag, which contains the documents for his and Vani's forged marriage documents, with a gun. In the climax, Akash gets drunk and tries to force himself on Vani to tell the truth. To prevent this, Vani tells the truth and also tells that Gehna is not hers nor Akash's, but is her deceased sister and Akash's elder brother Aman's child. Vani later leaves the house with Gehna when she learns that Akash wants to marry her and make Gehna his daughter. Akash and family later decide that Vani and Akash should marry each other and help him to search for Vani. Vani is later found to be getting married. The dejected Akash confronts her. She hands over Gehna to Aman. The director yells cut and everyone later learns that the marriage ceremony was part of a movie. Everyone later reconcile and Akash and Vani get married. Production: the film marks Priyadarshan's return to Bollywood after an 8-year hiatus since Rangreజ్ 2013. It is not a sequel to Hangama 2003, with Priyadarshan saying, "We decided to title the new comedy Hangama 2 because the mood of masti, mischief and Hangama remain unchanged." It also marks the comeback of Shilpa Shetty for the first time in 14 years since Apne. The principal photography commenced on 8 January 2020 in Mumbai. The film was initially scheduled for a theatrical release in India on 14 August 2020. However, production was halted due to the COVID-19 pandemic in India. Priyadarshan has indicated the filming is scheduled to resume in mid-September 2020. The film was wrapped up on 1st February 2021. Release: Hangama 2 premiered on 23rd July 2021 on Disney Plus Hotstar.